and welcome back to my channel. I'm Liz of Chicago Law Luxury Makeup. Today we're doing a little bit of a different video. We are going to unbox my FabFitFun subscription box. If you are not aware of FabFitFun, which I'm sure you are, but just in case you're not, it is a lifestyle quarterly subscription box. And in it contains 8 to 10 full-size, I think mostly full-size products from different brands. And some of the products you get to choose from a selection, and some of the ones they choose. They offer 2 different memberships. You can buy a yearly membership for $180, which makes the boxes $45. Or you can pay each quarter, and the boxes are $50. So you get a $5 savings per box if you pay in advance and do the yearly membership. That is what I did. So this box came a while ago, but it has been a week, you guys. It has been nonstop. Work is opening back up more, so there's more. I'm going into the office more. I'm doing more, and it just, life got in the way. Just life. So I am just now getting around to opening this, and I thought I would show you what I got to see if you were interested. If you are interested, I have 4 starter boxes that I can send out for free. All you have to do is comment down below with your email address, and I will send you an email. But I only have 4, so that's all they give me. But all right, so this is the box. I do know that one of the products in here I paid for, so it's like an add-on. So in each different category where you get to choose an item, if there's enough items available, you can add one of those additional items on for $15 or $10, depending on the item. And I do know that I was of course late to the game in selecting my items, and I know that the one item that I did want was completely already picked, so I wasn't able to get it. So let's see what I got. So here is my box. It comes in this really pretty, actually, this little box. So this actually would be a box I would consider keeping to store stuff in, because it's a really nice size and it's pretty. So when you open the box, this is what it looks like, how it's packaged. So you get a bunch of different, a coupon if anyone wants $15 off their first box. There's a code. I'm happy to share that. I got stickers. I actually really like stickers. I don't know, but I do. I love stickers. I put them in my planner and all that stuff. And I did look online, and I kind of sneaked to see what I got, and I think some of my items were changed, but we'll see. All right, so the first, so they give you a magazine. I guess I should back up. I'm getting ahead of myself this morning. They give you a magazine, and in it talks about all of the different products and all of the different choices that you could have received. So I'm just going to go in order and get the item that was chosen for me or I selected. So we're going to start with item number 1. Customization number 1 is what we'll call it. There was a choice of 8 items. And the item that I chose was the Pericone MD Rejuvenating Moisturizer. So this is 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. And it says that this is a nutrient-packed moisturizer, deeply hydrates the skin without leaving a greasy residue. It states that the retail value for this moisturizer is $98. I have never tried this brand, and that's the reason I chose it, is I have heard good things about this brand, so I thought I would give it a try. This is just a moisturizer. If you guys have ever tried this brand, let me know. I would love to hear about this. But so this is what I got. This is my first product, and I mean, it's a $100 value, and I paid $45 for the box. So I'm definitely going to get my money's worth out of this box. The other thing that I could have received, but I actually purchased as an add-on, is a Tech Candy UV sanitizer. So that's this thing. You can put your phone, it's to put your phone in it to sanitize your phone. I am constantly on my phone, you guys. Constantly. Touching it, you know, I use it for work. I'm just always on my phone. So I have been intrigued by these like UV sanitizers. And when I saw it, I was like, okay, I'm going to try it. So in it, you can see there's the UV light, and you plug it in and you put your phone in here in each side for 5 minutes. So it's 10 minutes, and it is supposed to kill up to 99% of common germs. It says in 5 minutes, but it's not. It's 5 minutes per side. So it's really 10. But so that's, and this has a retail value of $60. I don't know. Have you guys ever used one of those UV cleaners? I don't know. I'm curious about them and how they work. If it's just a gimmick or does it really work? So I would love to hear if you have tried that. So for the second customization, I got, this is a, I don't know how to pronounce the brand. Giam. I don't know. I'm probably butchering that. Giam Ultimate Core and Toning Kit. Comes with like a little ball that I will have to inflate. And then this like band contraption that looks like a flower. So we'll see if this works. Mini ab ball and a core reformer. So there's kind of like the picture of the items. So some workout stuff. I've been trying to get back into the gym. Third customization, which I don't remember picking these. So I don't know if I really did pick them or if what I picked was out of stock and this is what they gave me. I honestly don't remember, you guys. My memory is going away. But these are coasters. So these are Bloomingville woven seagrass coasters. Place your drinks and cocktails on these seagrass coasters with white cotton stitching. So these have a retail value of $35. So let me open these. And I might have picked these because we do use a lot of coasters at our house. And ours are kind of getting gross. So it's possible I picked these. But that's what they look like. So there's one design. So these are definitely, we will definitely use these. They're not my favorite item in the box, but I will use them. So I guess that works. And like I said, it has a $35 value. The next customization is customization number 4. There are 6 items in customization number 4. Now this is the category where the item I wanted was no longer available. And I wanted the Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel. And that had a retail value of $45. It was a natural fruit enzymes blended with milk protein, help smooth and moisturize the skin. So that is what I wanted, but it was already gone. So I ended up getting the Ahava face cleansing gel. So I do really like this brand. I've used their moisturizer on multiple occasions. I've never used their cleansing gel, but I'm definitely washing my face more than I ever have before. And I felt like you can never have enough cleansing gel. So this had a retail value of $24. And it says this mineral infused gel cleanser removes makeup while hydrating and cleansing the skin. The last category where I was able to choose my products is number 5. And in category number 5, there were 5 options that I could have chose from. And let's see what I picked. And I don't remember picking this either. I really don't. I swear my memory is it's going, guys. This is the Pure Iconic Glow Illuminating Face and Body Dry Oil. It says that it has a retail value of $28, and the description says, apply this antioxidant rich oil to your face and body for a radiant shimmer. So my sticker is definitely on like sideways or crooked. It's I don't know if that's everybody's or just mine, but that's what this looks like. I've got a couple of these, so I'm actually going to save this either for a giveaway or for my daughter or my stepdaughter. So that's just kind of weird that the sticker's on, like, it's not straight. I don't know, that bothers me. So that is the last item that I got to choose. The next items in here, there are 3 more items. So there was a total of 8 items in this box this year, or this quarter. And the next 3 items are items that they picked out for me. So we will just go through. So the next one would be customization, or item number 6. And what they chose for me is the Each Jewels Flower Hair Clip, a 2-pack. So that's what that looks like. It says that it's a retail value of $30. I don't ever wear hair clips, so this will definitely be going to probably my stepdaughters. Unless you guys comment down below that you would like to see this in a giveaway. Otherwise, I will give it to my stepdaughters. It's only 3 items in this category, and it was the hair clips, a hand scrub, and a brightening serum. So that is what I got. For the next item, item number 7, again, there were 3 options. I'm going to be really honest with you guys. The item that they chose, I don't want. I'm not even giving it to my daughters. It is going to, I don't even know. But I am telling you, I don't want it. I think that this item is very cheesy, and it's not an item that an adult would want in a lifestyle box. I don't even think that a child would want this. I have like an adult sippy cup shaped like, I guess, a cactus. I don't know. This just, it says it's a 21-ounce cactus cup with straw. They say that this has a retail value of $20. I don't know. I'm just not interested in this at all. What I got, I could have also gotten a lip mask or a body wash. I would have chosen either of those over this. The very last item is item number 8, and they had 2 different things that you could have received, and I'm actually pretty happy with what they gave me. So it is by the brand Saie, I think it is, Saie, and I know that this brand is new to Sephora. So these are reusable beauty rounds. Ditch your makeup wipes for these reusable cotton rounds. So they're thick. And I guess you can just wash your face with these, or they're too thick for like any sort of serums or toners or any sort of liquid product for you to put on your face. I mean, they're really good size. But these are soft. They have a retail value of $15. So I will definitely be putting these to the test. I could have also received a nail polish in a very light pink kind of shade. So I'm very happy with the makeup remover rounds. I will definitely use those. So I think overall, I'm pretty impressed with this box that I got. There were definitely some items in here that I was happy I was able to pick. I am still a little upset that I missed out on the Elemis peel, but it was my fault. It was my fault. I forgot to log in and select my items. So that's what I got. Have you guys ever tried FabFitFun? Is it something that you guys like? I just completed my year. So I started this I think I joined in April, or I paid in April, and then I got my first box, I think in like May or June. But, so it was like, the heart of the pandemic and the lockdown, and I don't know, I just did it. I like the idea of, getting this box, 4 times a year with just fun stuff in it, stuff that I haven't tried that, I'd be interested in trying, and, discovering new products and new brands. So I liked that idea. I don't know if I'm gonna keep going after this, because like I said, my year is up, so I have to decide if I want to renew or cancel. So I'm on the fence. I did like it. I've gotten some pretty good stuff over this past year, so that's been really fun. But yeah, I'd really like to hear if you guys have ever gotten one of these boxes, what your opinions are, if you liked any of these products or have tried any of the ones that I got. I would love to hear. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not already subscribed, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel. I currently do have a giveaway going. If you go back and watch my last video, it's Sunday. So I think that will, by the time this goes up, that'll be tomorrow. It'll end tomorrow night, midnight or whatever, and I will select the winner on Monday, March 8th. So make sure you go back to that video so you can see how you enter. But that is going on. Again, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.